Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the world of mobile technology and explore some awesome CANVA using tips. So, let's get started. CANVA is an incredible tool that can transform your mobile experience. Did you know that you can use CANVA to create stunning designs for your mobile apps? With its user-friendly interface and wide range of templates, CANVA makes it easy to bring your app ideas to life. One of the best things about CANVA is its ability to help you create visually appealing app icons. With a few simple clicks, you can design icons that are not only eye-catching but also perfectly aligned with your brand's aesthetic. Another great feature of CANVA is its ability to help you create beautiful app screens. With its vast library of elements, you can easily create screens that are not only visually appealing but also functional. And the best part? CANVA is completely free to use. So, what are you waiting for? Start using CANVA today and take your mobile app design skills to the next level. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, keep exploring and innovating.